So unfortunately the show just stopped. They just said that they had a technical issue, a technical incident, so they literally just dropped the curtain and stopped the show. Hey y'all. Hey. I know. Look at us, all ready for our Hawaiian theme tonight. We're having a Hawaiian party tonight. The group is having a Hawaiian theme night tonight, so that means that everybody's getting all dressed up in some Hawaiian wear. And so that's what we got on tonight. We got some flower lace on. Don't let it blow overboard, baby. Look at her, she looks so cute. So cute. You always look so cute. She makes me look bad, y'all. Got my little islandy shirt on, but we've just left beautiful Grand Turk right over there. There it is. Baby, did you have a good day in Grand Turk today?
It was amazing.
Oh, I'm so glad. Look at this right here, babe. Look at this. The front of the ship. Isn't that pretty? Absolutely stunning. All right, let's head down. Let's catch our peeps. Hey, what you crying about? Party, 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 people! What's going on? Glad to see everybody made it back on board. Look at Luis. I like that shirt, buddy. Are you dragging? You dragging a little bit? So, Cody, the other day that I promised you when I got Thomas, where's Thomas? When I got him his flamingos, that I had you a palm trees as well. There you go, buddy. I want to see it. No, I want to see it just like Thomas. Just like Thomas. You guys kind of wear like bandanas. Yeah. Rock and roll. All right, who are we missing? So I can go let them know how many we need. 23. What can we do about that?
Okay. So, Sam.
Sounds great. Sounds great. Let me get them, okay? Uh-oh. Okay, what do you want me to do?
Yeah, say you just lean forward. Just.
Yeah, but there you go. All right, family, are we ready to go eat? Ready to go eat?
Did they give us our table?
Yeah, beat them up. They didn't give us our table, but they gave us some tables. Let's go. Okay, so we've got these here. Well, we're back here in the main dining room tonight. There it is behind me. What a beautiful dining room we've got. A wonderful backdrop for us. Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl. Hey, we've moved.
I was like, you took my Diet Coke.
Yeah, we migrated. Hey, babe. But let me let you take a look at the menu for tonight. So over here is the appetizers. The fried shrimp is really good. I've had that. The marinated chicken tenders also really, really good. But it's not like fried chicken tenders, so keep that in mind. It's not like the chicken tender as you would think it is. Down there, the rare frying is going to be the frog legs for you. Now, my dad really likes those. I do not. I'm going to stay far away from those, but you know, you can get it if you like. Right over here, the main courses tonight, we've got the beef lasagna, also the chicken Milanese, braised short ribs, even the penne mariscos. I don't know how you say that. However, I ended up making into something down here from the grill. I don't know, honestly. Or I could do the beef short ribs. I actually might do the beef short ribs. For the appetizer, I would recommend the chicken patties. That's a Grand Turk. That's over here in Grand Turks Protocol. It's very, very good. The cocktail, we've got the crazy mango. Has something mango in it, so who knows? I might try that. And finally, the sea bass fillet with plantain crust will be your main. Yes, thank you so much. here in the dining room tonight. I ended up getting the chicken patty right there. You can see it. So it's basically, literally, it's like the way I described it, it's like a flaky biscuit with some chicken inside there, and it's even got a nice sauce there on the side. So really, really yummy. Had it once or twice before, so I'm eager to go ahead and dig into that again. Baby girl, what did you get? You just got the cheese plate, huh? Got the cheese plate over here. How is it? Love your words. Love them. Love. It's okay, baby. I won't make you speak. I know you've got your mouth full over there. Looks super yummy. I definitely would not get it though. Not a big cheese fan. So you go ahead. You enjoy. I'll enjoy. I'm gonna be sick. Looks yummy. Just got our main course here. Lauren, what'd you get? The flat iron steak? Looks yummy, is it? Just shake your head. Oh, good. We get a word. We get a word today. Yes. Yes. That's it. Just yes. Me and her switched spots. You guys are. You're not going crazy. We switched spots. They came around and took like the photos for dinner, and she said the lighting was better over there, so we just switched and haven't switched back. But I ended up getting the braised short rib here. It's got some kind of sauce on top of it, as well as some mashed potatoes and string beans there. Now it came with like some, I think just some broken potato and peas, but I chose not to get that. I'm not a big fan of peas, so I just ended up getting the mashed potatoes instead. Is it good or no? The little sauce that are you wiping that? Look what you just did. Look at this.
That was next.
You don't like the sauce? You do like the sauce? No, don't like the sauce. I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry. What's everybody else got? Christina, what you got over there?
Pork chop.
The pork chop and the pork chop again. The pork chop was really good the other night. I had it the other night. Joe, what you got?
Flat iron.
Flat iron steak and flat iron steak. Man, flat iron steak is quite popular tonight, and that is an option that's on the menu every single night. So should you not find something at the top of the menu that you like, you can always get something like a flat iron steak, and you're sure to enjoy that for your meal. A minute. Tom, say hello to us, Tom.
Hello to us, Tom.
Look at Tom. Tom won the flamingo band. Tom, I have to say, you are certainly rocking that bandana, sir. If it was Epic Rock Night, I would think you were part of the show, to be honest with you. The Karate Kid?
No, Karate Aloha Kid.
Karate Aloha Kid. I love it. What are you up to? You just coming over to say hey?
I'll come over and say hey.
Like it, love it. Pull up a chair. Have a seat with us. Guys, I gotta tell you, this braised beef short rib is excellent. So tender. Look at that. Just comes right apart.
Really?
So flaky. It's very good. You didn't like your pork chop tonight, huh? Yeah. I know. I had the pork chop the other night and it was really tender, but I told Miss Carrie, I've had nights where the pork chop has been really, really tough and dry and it just wasn't cooked right. Unfortunately, that's how hers was
Same
tonight.
thing at home.
Huh? Yeah, you have some at home where it's really good, and then you have some where it's like, oh crap, I cooked this too fast. You know,
But
so
it's fine. The soup
yeah.
was awesome. The sirloin steak, whatever soup. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
really good. Really good, good.
Really good.
I'm gonna wrap up here in the dining room. We're gonna grab our dessert, and then I don't know, maybe me and you hit the casino again, briefly.
Oh, wow.
Briefly.
Briefly?
Yeah, y'all wanna come? Come on.
I'm gonna play
Come on, let's all go throw $20 off the side of the ship.
I'm gonna play.
Let's do it.
$22.
We're just throwing $20 off the side of the ship with a lead weight. What's the harm? The chocolate panna cotta. I have absolutely no idea what this thing is, but we're gonna cut it. They've got this chocolate sauce here, and I'm not sure if that is if you're supposed to use that or what. It's kind of cold sauce, but
It's a cold Italian custard. That's what panna cotta.
okay. Yeah, I mean that's quite literally what it is there. So you can see the inside there. It's kind of jello or pudding-like. I don't know. Texture might be a deal breaker for me here. We're gonna find out.
That's the person who I gave. I don't think he liked it.
Nope, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's pretty good. I probably wouldn't order it again because to be honest with you, it just tastes like I'm eating kind of like chocolate, but there's not really much texture to it. But it's alright. It's pretty good. Alright. Family, did you enjoy it? Enjoy it? Family, did you enjoy it? Family, did you enjoy it? Everything was good? Everything? No? What did you have? She had everything. She had everything and enjoyed nothing. Could you tell this was a truthful statement right there? Angie, did you enjoy your chicken nuggets?
I did. I gave one to
Oh, whoa, giving them away now, huh? Whoa.
Delivered it.
and I gave
Oh yeah?
Michael one of my cheesecakes.
Uncle Michael.
Uncle Michael. And his
Uncle Michael. Uncle Michael.
by the way, and Allie are soon to be going to be best friends.
Fantastic, fantastic. Can I, if you don't mind, Ange, I'd just like to smell your water really quick, just to. Wait, we need a new water, please. This is not a good. Thank you so much, my dear. See you tomorrow, okay? Thank you, thank you.
How was the dinner tonight?
Oh, I'm rolling out of the dining room. Have a good night. Go ahead, girl. Tear it up now. Tear that bar up. I'm gonna go get Lorna. We're gonna go to the casino. We're gonna go to the casino for a few minutes. So come out there and join us.
Don't worry, I will. Look at me.
Hey, boy. Hey, boy.
Come to gamble.
Yeah. Yeah. Kind of play my luck a little bit. I'm a big boy now. Play with Scott. Lauren's coming up in a few minutes. Bent down.
He's got like 30 plays though.
Yeah. No, that's it. I just won 3 cents over here. I did. I had won 3 cents. Oh.
30 cents.
Whoa. We just had a little bit of fun down there in the casino with Scott. Scott's been winning like crazy. Scott just won another 100 tonight, baby.
I need him to play for me.
No, I just like he literally told me, he said hit the spin. He was on the Wheel of Fortune, right? He said Josh hit this spin for luck and he won $100. One spin, right there, that's it. Boom shakalaka. I was like, wow. But we didn't bet money. I put $10 in, you know, just something to go pass the time a little bit, have a little bit of fun. So now we're heading down to Flick right now. Showtime is coming up right now. I think the pre-show is starting. Oh, do you guys want to walk by Schwartz?
Yeah.
Do you want to walk by Schwartz?
Yeah.
Come on. Pizza! Pizza!
It's crazy. But right now, I'm just happy that we have this first celebrity to bring in here. I like it. He's wearing a cowboy hat, but just
Oh my God, look at my mom. What is she doing?
Make some noise. Put your hands together. That was not short. She would make it here. She has. And she came in here. Not by limo. Not by train.
Oh God.
But she came in on a wrecking ball. Please put your hands together for Miley Cyrus, everyone. Miley Cyrus.
Oh dear God. I've seen it all.
I'm absolutely awesome today.
Absolutely awesome today. You seem super happy.
Oh, I am. It's just,
Show's starting now. It's gonna be good, buddy. This is gonna be good.
Walking
Shorts will be out here in a second.
So unfortunately, the show just stopped. They just said that they had a technical issue, a technical incident, so they literally have just dropped the curtain and stopped the show happening. It was almost done, wasn't it?
No, well, about another 7 to 10 minutes.
Peter says he saw maybe 3 or 4 people in the right-hand corner just pull one guy off the stage.
Hi, everyone.
There he is. For Shorts.
Uh-oh.
Okay, sorry. I was in the middle of getting ready for the party. That's why I'm like all mismatched. Just gonna check backstage, give you guys a heads up what's going on. I was gonna quick show stop. Okay, so I'm gonna find out what's going on. Be right back and give you guys some updates. In the meantime, hang tight. Enjoy the movie background music. And that man's buying drinks. Well, here it goes, everyone. Give it up for your cast.
And they're back. Hey, baby. This is 80s rock and glow. Let's find everybody. There they are. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Look at Teresa. Well, guys, there you have it. There's a little bit of 80s rock and glow. What a fun party up here. Super chill, too. Like everybody's just up here having a good time, singing along to some classic 80s favorites. So, guys, that's going to do it for this amazing day that we've had today in Grand Turk and on board the Carnival Breeze. If you're new and you haven't already subscribed, you know the deal. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You're not going to want to miss a second of the fun that we've got in store. Coming up tomorrow, we are tackling these bad boys right up here. We are also getting down to the Dr. Seuss breakfast. That is going to be happening first thing in the morning, and a ton of other fun for our final sea day on board. You do not want to miss it. We'll see you then. Bye, everybody.